15 lakhs to 50 crores. How did I go from 15 lakhs to 50 crores? Here's the year-by-year breakdown. 2013, I made 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs a year. 2014, made 15 lakhs a year. 2015, I made 20 lakhs. 2016, I made 30 lakhs. 2017, making 36 lakhs. This is when I switched my job and I went from job to starting a business. In 2018, I made my first crore. 2019, 2.5 crores. 2020, 16 crores. 2021, 27 crores. And 2022 and 23, we're going to ending up at 50 plus crores. If you look at the last 10 years, there is something interesting that has happened. The first 5 years, my income grew, but it only doubled after 5 years. In the last 5 years, if you see from 2018 to now, it not just 2x, it went 50x. How is that possible, Dave? There are 3 lessons I want to share with you. Why is this quantum leap happened in business? First and foremost thing, I stopped trading time for money. Because when you start trading time for money, your income capacity is low because your time is limited. Number 2, take risk. I took risk and it was very scary at the beginning when I quit the job and I was like, what if people don't buy, people it doesn't work? Guess what? Things became really great in just few years. And number 3, follow the process. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. I just followed my mentors, my coaches that helped me to grow 50x in my business. So think about this. A lot can change in just a handful of years. In 5 years, my life completely changed and I can't even tell you how wonderful this life is. You see, I'm traveling the world, making money, making an impact, making the videos, meeting some great personalities and celebrities. This is unheard of in my life. I come from a poor family. My dad was a truck driver. If I can do it, I think anybody can. Now, if you're watching this and if you're wondering, Dave, how can I increase my income? There is a process we can follow. You can find your passion and convert that into a business. You want to know the process? Click the link, join the webinar. I want to create more crorepathi's, the first generation crorepathi's, first generation millionaires, especially people coming from poor and middle class like me. This is my mission. And I want to transform 1 billion lives. Click the link, join thousands of people. Do not miss this opportunity. This is Gadhvi, India's first Passionpreneur mentor. I will see you in the webinar. Take care and God bless you.